If you're looking for a home that checks all the boxes, from your must-have essentials to your dream list luxuries, centrally located in the Tri-City area of Union City, 4556 Niland Street is the home for you. My name is Daniel Ripper with Compass Real Estate. Come with me for a tour inside. Boasting an airy 3,854 square foot floor plan, this home has sun-drenched elegance, modern functionality, and superior amenities at every turn. The ground floor features a flowing mixed floor plan with a formal living room, formal dining room, which is lit by an elegant fixture. Welcome friends and family beneath the soaring cathedral ceiling and stunning geometric Edison-bulb fixture of the living room. Then head back into the family room, where you can sit back and relax beside a no-hassle gas fireplace and built-in entertainment center with 5-inch ceiling speakers, dual 15-inch subwoofers, and a whole host of other features, all while keeping an eye on whatever you're preparing for dinner. Or maybe everyone wants to lend a hand with meal prep and channel in their inner Iron Chef. The spacious, updated kitchen has room for any number of sous chefs and is equipped with sprawling granite countertops, an extra-large island breakfast bar, full-height granite backsplash, stainless steel Bosch appliances, including dual-wall convection ovens, dishwasher, microwave, and 5-burner built-in range, and a stainless steel 42-inch Thermador fridge and freezer with ice maker. Or head upstairs along the hardwood banister and unwind in your own loft lounge. The primary bedroom suite is the ideal place to begin and end each day. You'll have a spa quality ensuite bathroom at your disposal with a wraparound vanity, deep tub, and separate full tiled walk-in shower with a frameless glass door and tiled bench. The other 3 upstairs bedrooms are located across the hall. One features its own ensuite bathroom, and the other 2, one of which has its own walk-in closet, share easy access to the full bathroom and linen closet just outside the door. A laundry room equipped with a Samsung washer and dryer with pedestal storage rounds out the upstairs.